Hi, I'm Chris, co-founder of NutriBot. To start planning your routes, it is the new feature. You should go to the deliveries and the routes beta. And what is important, where you should start? You should start from the settings here. There is a new feature, settings, and you should set your location of your kitchen. For example, it is here, and location of your vehicle fleet. For example, the parking of your cars. It can be in a different place of the city. Then there is drivers, and I like to think about the drivers like car. In my opinion, the car is the better naming because many companies have, for example, 5 cars and the drivers are changes. It is usually the position with the quite big rotation, so I believe if we think about the drivers like the cars, it is better way. So I called my drivers by car names. So I have the Fiat Doblo, Citroën Berlingo, Fiat Ducato 2, and Renault Master. So this is my drivers. And if I go to the drivers, I have the new options here. First of all, I can go to the edit mode, and of course I can describe the car to the right zone, but then I can add the cost of the driving 1 kilometer, what is quite important, and I can set that it is half of zloty. And there is a cost of 1 hour of work for this driver. It will be 30 zloty for me, and it is really important because the algorithm will take it into consideration while we plan the efficient route. Then there is the maximum route time, length of the route, maximum vehicle capacity, additional information, and average time spent on the address. So how much time it will take the driver to leave the package, and I can choose some average, and I can set the color of this car on the map and where it is starting in the vehicle fleet, the kitchen, or other point, for example, in the driver home. I will choose the vehicle fleet, and save. Similar I should do for the rest of the cars. And that's it. I have all car prepared, and now I can go to my routes. And right now I will create the new route for 20th of March. I will name it by day, and I will choose the 20th of March. I can choose the delivery zones for which I would like to create the routes and the drivers as well. And let's save it. After creating the route, I will see that kind of view. If I have the cars connected with the zones, it will be automatically divided. But if it will not be, I will see, for example, the packages here, and I need to assign them. And I can do that manually, like here by drag and drop. I can group it, for example, by delivery area, delivery hours to simplify that. But usually, if I don't know the zone good, the geolocations, it will be better to go to the map. So I can go to the map and I can see at the map unassigned items as a gray one and assign it in the right colors of the different cars. And I would like to assign the western ones to the Citroën Berlingo, the blue one, like that, and the east side to the, which one? To the Fiat Doblo, let's take. And this is the first step. So assigning the packages to the right drivers, it is the first step. When I have done that, I should go to the routes. And if I go to the route mode, I can see that there is Fiat Doblo and all the packages are here, and the start of the route is here probably, and the kitchen is also here, and on end of the route is here. So the driver will start there and finish here as well. So then he need to go to these addresses, and I can manually choose the order. So for example, and it looks good. Right now I can just click draw or update the route, and it will create me the route and show that it takes 5 kilometers, 20 minutes, and it will cost 13 zloty. For the Citroën Berlingo, I can use our intelligent route planning solution. So it will send all the list to the Google API and went back with the ready-made route. So I'm clicking the button. I will choose that I would like to create only for Citroën. I can consider the preferred delivery times and starting and end of the route. I will not do that to simplify the process for the presentation. Clicking the button and the route looks like that. It is automatically generated by Google. It is quite powerful. And what else, if in the next days I would like to create the route, I don't need to make it from scratch. After saving the route, I just need to create the new route for the next day. I can choose the base route, so the last one, and just save it. And if I will have the additional 2 or 3 packages, I need to manually assign them to the already prepared routes from the last day. So pretty easy, pretty powerful. So I hope that it will be really useful and will help you to grow your meal prep company. See you in the next video. Bye.